What if you could spot a trend reversal before it actually happens? RSI divergences reveal when momentum is fading, even if the price is still trending. And today, I'm going to show you how to automatically spot and scan for RSI divergences using TrendSpider. An RSI divergence happens when the price and RSI disagree. It's a classic warning sign that the current trend is weakening and a reversal might be on the way. These divergences can either be bullish or bearish, so let's take a look at both. A bullish RSI divergence happens when price makes a lower low, but the RSI puts in a higher low at the same time. This means momentum is actually strengthening even while the price is still downtrending, and it's often an early clue that a bullish reversal might be setting up. But keep in mind, RSI divergences alone aren't always a buy signal. They should be combined with key support levels or other indicators to confirm entries. Take Netflix in 2022 for example. The stock tanked nearly 80% from its peak, and at its lows, it put in a bullish RSI divergence on the daily chart, which was automatically marked by a custom RSI divergence indicator that we'll cover more in a second. But to confirm an entry with this divergence, you could have combined it with another tool like the bottom catcher indicator, which also attempts to identify bullish reversals based on other metrics. And after both of these indicators gave bullish signals, Netflix went on a tear. You can check out both of these indicators on the TrendSpider store using the links in this post. Now let's cover how a bearish RSI divergence works. It's essentially the exact opposite and occurs when price puts in a higher high, but the RSI simultaneously puts in a lower high. So even though price looks good and is putting in new highs, the RSI doesn't agree, which is a bearish sign and suggests a potential reversal to the downside might occur. For example, let's take a look at Palantir's daily RSI divergence in 2021. It initially put in a top in November 2020, then went on to break out and put in a higher high in 2021. At the same time, the RSI cooled down and put in a lower high, signaling a bearish divergence. To help confirm this signal, you could have also used the combined RSI ensemble indicator, which paints candles based on 3 different RSI lengths. When multiple RSI lengths are overbought, you get red, orange, and yellow candles, which helped mark each of the peaks as the bearish divergence occurred. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe so we can keep showing you guys real strategies like this. So the key isn't just knowing what a divergence looks like, it's spotting it before everyone else does. And this is exactly where TrendSpider sets itself apart. Rather than manually eyeballing charts, TrendSpider has some community-built tools that automatically help you detect RSI divergences in real time and plot them right on your chart. One of the most popular tools for this is called RSI Divergences by Dr. Goose, and it's available for free in the TrendSpider store. So it plots the standard lower RSI chart, along with green lines for bullish divergences and red line for bearish divergences, so you can identify setups instantly without any guesswork. Another great option is the RSI Divergences Candle Edition by Libertus. Instead of using a lower RSI panel, this version just plots divergence labels right on the price chart, which can help save you space and keep your layout clean. You can import both of these indicators to your platform for free using the links in this post. Now here's where things really get powerful. Since the Candle Edition RSI Divergence tool plots signals right on your chart, you can scan the entire market for active bullish or bearish divergences in real time. To get started, head over to the market scanner and create a new one called Bullish RSI Divergence Exists. You can also import this scanner for free using the link in this post. So after subscribing to the RSI Divergences Candle Edition indicator, just add a scan parameter on any time frame that shows a bullish divergence signal is active. And to broaden the search, you can even use the Happened Within feature to tell the scanner to find any assets that printed a bullish divergence within the last 5 candles. Then you can just check the current candle box, save it, pick a watch list or index to search in, press scan, and you're going to get a list of results printing bullish divergences in real time. And if you want double confirmation, you can also plot the RSI Divergence indicator by Dr. Goose on your lower panel to see if both indicators agree. And scanning for bearish divergences is just as easy. You can simply clone the bullish divergence scanner we just made, delete the bullish RSI divergence parameter and just replace it with one that scans for an active bearish divergence. Then just name it accordingly, save it, press scan, and now you're going to see a list of stocks printing bearish divergences. You can even set these scanners to run on a schedule so you can get real-time bullish or bearish RSI divergences sent right to your inbox. Now let's bring this home with a couple real examples. The first one I want to show you is on the Ethereum daily chart in July of 2025. As price pushed to new highs, both RSI divergence indicators flagged bearish signals, with RSI making lower highs even as the price climbed. That's a textbook bearish divergence, signaling that momentum was fading behind the scenes, and thanks to TrendSpider's community-built tools, this was spotted automatically with no manual analysis required. Now, let's check out Roblox in April of 2025. On April 8th, the stock printed a lower low, while the RSI put in a higher low, signaling that the momentum was strengthening while the price action wasn't. This shift in momentum marked the bottom, and Roblox followed with a strong bullish rally. This is the power of using RSI divergences the smart way, and with TrendSpider, spotting them takes just seconds. You can schedule scans to your email, scan the entire market in seconds, and reduce your analysis time significantly. You can click the link in this post to sign up for TrendSpider, and you'll be able to use all of these custom RSI divergence tools for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.